Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about T-Mobile and how it has a second data breach in 2023, guys. It's quite a bit of data breaches. So T-Mobile, even though they have amazing deals and promos and stuff, man, their security must be trash because I think out of all the carriers, T-Mobile is the easiest or must be the easiest to hack because, man, have they been hacked quite a bit of times. So let's get into it. Like I said, let's read this article. And you can find different articles, but this one basically gave a little bit more information, so that's why I like this one. But like I said, you can find some different articles as well. So this was published yesterday, and that was May 1st, 2023. Today's May 2nd, 2023 of making this video. So it says T-Mobile discloses second data breach of 2023. This one leaking account pins and more. Ooh, so this is actually pretty bad, guys. So it says hack affecting 836 subscribers, lasting for more than a month before it was discovered. So, you know, T-Mobile has, I don't know, 100 million subscribers or whatever it is. Let's just say, I don't even know the actual exact number, but let's just say millions of subscribers, should I say. And of course, 836 is pretty small compared to the amount of subscribers, but still, if you're one of those subscribers that got hacked, it's pretty bad. So it says T-Mobile on Monday said it experienced a hack that exposed account pins and other customer data in the company's second networking intrusion this year, in the ninth since 2018. Wow, since 2018, guys, there's been 9 hacks. Good lord, over two a year basically. So yeah, and this is the second one of the year, guys. So I don't know if T-Mobile just doesn't spend any money on their security, or it might just be super easy to hack because, like I said, hackers just love hacking T-Mobile. And it kind of, there's a lot of customers, of course, and people overall that just are scared their information is going to be out there, and you know, their social security and information. You don't want that stuff being leaked or sold to foreign hackers that can then use credit cards or open up different things, accounts under your name. So it says intrusion, which started on February 24th and lasted until March 30th. Whoa. Basically a whole month, affected 836 customers. And that's another thing, man. Like I said, their security must be trash because for a whole month, basically, or close to it, you're telling me they didn't notice that it was even breached. The whole door was wide open. People were just getting into it. So it says affected 836 customers, according to a notification on the website of Maine Attorney General Aaron Frey. So it says information obtained for each customer varied, but may have included full names, contact information, account number, and associated phone numbers. Ooh. T-Mobile account pins, social security number, government ID, date of birth, balance due, internal codes that T-Mobile uses to service customer accounts, for example, rate plan and feature codes. Wow. So basically your whole information, your driver's license, let's say, is out there, your social security, your date of birth, basically everything the customer needs, or the hacker, should I say, needs to basically straight up open fraudulent accounts on your name. So if you're on T-Mobile, you probably want to make sure that there's not a credit card opened or a car bought or a house bought or something like that bought under your name. So you want to check it out. Wow. It says, and number of lines. The company wrote in a letter sent to affected customers. Wow. So basically, if you're an affected customer, they sent out a letter probably saying, hey, your stuff was hacked. You probably want to check your security or bump up your security because your stuff's probably out there. It says account pins, which customers use to swap out SIM cards and authorize other important changes to their accounts, were reset once T-Mobile discovered the breach on March 27th. So basically, SIM cards and other account pins were changed. T-Mobile did that to kind of neglect, or should I say, reduce the amount of information that maybe the hackers could do, or like I said, they basically just stopped it so more customers won't get affected. But the ones that did get affected, like I said, your stuff's out there, man. So watch out. It says the incident is the second hack to hit T-Mobile this year. It's the 9th since 2018, based on reporting by TechCrunch. In January, T-Mobile said bad actors I remember, you remember that bad actors thing? I do remember. Abused his application programming in a way that allowed them to access the data of 37 million customers. Wow. So the hack started on November 25th, 2022, and wasn't discovered by T-Mobile until January 5th. I'm telling you, look at that, 2 months basically, where, well, month and a change, where basically people were just in there just grabbing customers' information, man. Wow, so that's pretty horrendous. It says data obtained in that incident included names, billing address, email addresses, phone numbers, and date of birth, T-Mobile account numbers, and information such as numbers of lines and accounts and plan rates, plan features. So basically, guys, they had your address, your emails, your phone numbers, date of birth, account numbers, all that stuff. So remember, with account numbers and PIN, they can literally port your number out to, let's say, a competitor, and then they can try to hack your Facebook or your Instagram or your bank accounts, because if you think about it, everything's connected with your phone number. So if everything's connected via your phone number, what they will do is port your number out, and then let's say they'll click forgot passwords because they know your email. They'll send them a verification code, and boom, they'll get that code on their phone, which they illegally poured your number out of, and now they have all that information. Wow. So pretty bad stuff. It says from 2018 through 2022, T-Mobile disclosed 7 more hacks. Oh my God. The most recent of those reported in April 2022, a hacker gang that goes by the name of Lapsus gained access to the company's internal tools, and from there carried out so-called SIM swaps, a type of hack that allows unauthorized people to port someone's number out, or someone's number to the phone of the threat actor. So that's what I was talking about. Like I said, with everything being connected to your phone number, guys, it's horrible. It'd be scared if I lose my number or you lose your number. Like, think about it, your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, TikTok account could be basically hacked, and then you'd also lose access to all those accounts. So let's say you have, let's say a TikTok account and you have many followers. If someone hacks your phone number or ports your number out, and now they have access to your phone number, they'll just go in there, they know your email, just click forgot password, and boom, they have access to that. So that's a big thing. It says other data breaches included one in 2022 or 2021 that exposed data belonging to 49 million customers. So even though this one wasn't that bad, 800 something customers, is still bad, but compared to 49 million, or what was the other one, 37 million, guys, that you have a higher risk of your stuff being out there. So this one was actually bad. The 800, your whole social security number and ID and everything is out there. That's pretty bad. So T-Mobile, like I said, I would be pretty scared to be a T-Mobile customer because your information could basically be out there on the web. And yeah, that's not good. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you have T-Mobile? Are you one of the affected ones? And if you are, let me know what happened. So if you want to support the channel, you can by checking out the description below, guys. Been really busy. Just went to a friend's wedding, so it's been pretty busy lately, and at work too is picking up. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, subscribe, like I said, if you want to check out my channel and the ways you can support it. You can check it out in the description below. Thank you so much, guys.